My name is Geraint Lewis. I'm Managing Director of Call of the Wild. You're currently in the Dyma Valley, just above Seven Sisters, where our head office is based. Been here for 25 years and love the area. The whole idea of it really is that we like to use the outdoors as our classroom. So Call of the Wild is something there in the back of the mind that's drawing you in constantly. It's a training company, so it's a development company, so personal development and team development. We love to use the outdoors when we can as our green classroom, as we call it. We've got our own training centre as well, a 70-acre training centre, and again, it's stunning surroundings. Even if you just got a meeting or a board meeting and you're able to do it on the top of a mountain, it's surprising the different ideas that come out. We work with everybody from senior management groups, school residentials. We work with some challenging behaviour groups. What we use basically is developmental tools. So it's understanding your own natural behaviours and then seeing how they sometimes reflect badly or positively with the groups that you're with. So that could be in work, it could be in school, it could be with friends, it could be in sports teams. It's surprising how few of them regularly get into the outdoors. When you're not confined within a room, when you sit in the outdoors, it makes you think far more clearly. It's a stunning environment, fantastic hills to walk in. It's just a fantastic place to be based if you like the outdoors. If I could describe Seven Sisters as a person, it would be somebody happy, energetic, real character and authentic.